All right, day 3. So right when I said whatever about my battery, battery died, so it came with backups. I came with backup of batteries. I have an SD card in here, so we should not have any more issues. Let me show you what we've done. Again, recap of what we've done. Just we've got this in. This is our drawer, spice drawer set. Victoria came in and she put that in there, and then we got this done. Our refrigerator. And so yeah, that's, and then also what I did outside of the camera is I don't know if you see all these wires. I've been trying to figure out our whole electrical thing. There's our power station right there. It's going to power our whole van. Like I said, it's been working very nice. And so trying to figure this all out. I bought different electrical plugs for it. Let's see if I can turn this on without. Yeah, so I've been using this. I'm gonna buy different switches for this, but you know, turns off, on. Only thing is that it turns off everything, and I don't need it to turn off everything. I need it to turn off individually. And so this is going to be put right there. Just turn it off and on just by touch. So yeah, so that's where we are at with this, and I have to be careful because I rigged this. It's not really safe. It can blow out. But today what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this up. Oh, I did put in this deal. Yeah, so I did put in this deal. I did make this, you know, again, we're doing the nicer board in the front, and we're just adding the board to it. But this is going to go right here. Sorry. So this is going to go right here. And this is going to be a, yeah, so this is going to go like this. Be a drawer. Open up right there. That way our toiletries can go right there. I think I have door hinges that I can put on here. I need to make this straight though for sure, because this is not looking that great. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. I do have this bigger board, and like I said, we've been using board like this. I don't know if you can see like the imperfections, but I really don't like that. I want like a smoother style or smoother feel. So I mean, this is a real smooth board. So when we cut it and we paint over it, it's just going to be really smooth and look really nice. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do today. Just finish cutting up some of these boards up and getting some of that stuff done. So yeah, check this out. But you know what, before I do that, I want to get this board prepped and ready. This big one, as you can see, this is what I'm talking about. I'm just putting that board on top of that. I'm looking for the ugly side, which is the bottom side of that, and I'm just putting the nice board over it. And this is going to be the part that we paint that's going to stick out. So I'm going to not super glue this. I'm going to liquid nail this and screw it down, and that way, while I'm working on it, it will be able to dry up. I'm gonna screw some stuff in it. So yeah, so while I'm working on it, it'll be able to dry up. So let me do that first before I do anything else. Okay, so there's one thing that I forgot that we haven't really thought about yet, and that's where our trash is gonna go. So I decided that I'm probably gonna use this rather than opening it up this way or this way, opening it up this way, and then we can be able to put, since there's a gap right here, we can be able to put our trash, and I'll build something right there for our trash to go in. Yeah, I forgot about our trash. But I need to buy more hinges because that's not gonna work. All right, I want to make doors for that section. I think I'm gonna do sliding doors where they open opposite directions. So I'm not gonna go get the sliders now, but I'm just gonna have them so we can have them up already. So yeah, let me get that started. Again, if you use this method that I showed y'all a while back with the jigsaw, or sorry, the straight line with the track saw, you get a clean cut every single time. Nice straight line every single time. What the hell? Son of a gun. Measure once, cut twice, again and again and again and again. Son of a gun. That was too short. Like an idiot. I guess I can use these pieces for that. Yeah. All right, let's measure this crap. I thought it said 23 and a half, and I bet you anything it's 33 and a half. Yep, it's actually 33. Oh, 33 and a half. That's upsetting. $33 and a half. That's upsetting because that's money. It's wood and it's money and it's yeah. All right, let's try this again. I'm not gonna throw those out. I'm gonna use those. They're doors, so this should be okay. I'm gonna rig it somehow. Watch. Watch. Never throw out any lumber. Especially when you're building, you never want to throw any lumber out because you never know when you're gonna use it again. So I'm gonna rig these. I'm gonna rig them up. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Remember, wood filler cleans everything up. I know it's such a bad way of looking at it, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So let me get this one cut up correctly. This one's gonna be the front one. The other one's gonna be the back one, so that way it's not too noticeable. Okay, so I'm gonna need a flat. I need this board to be as flat as I can. It can't be. So. Okay, so here's the board right here. And what I'm gonna do, this is the back of the board. I'm just gonna put a piece of board right here, screw it in there so that this can stay stable, turn it around. All I have to do is just put some wood glue or wood filler right there, and it's going to look like one whole piece when after we paint it, because we're going to put a lot of wood filler. But so what I need to do is get these as tight as it can be, so I can put a piece of board right there. So all right, let's test it out. Let's see if it will hold. Should hold. I don't know. Hey, we're all making stuff up as we go, right? Kind of feel like Bob Ross. There are no mistakes when you're making a painting, but there are mistakes, Bob. I just messed up. All right, let's see if this holds. It sure did. So now, what I'm gonna do is just put, wood glue right there. I'm just making one big piece. Yes. So now let me cut it. Let me cut it to size that I need it. Wait, I didn't even measure that side. Let me measure the side first. Okay, so this one is different. This one's 33. Measure twice, cut once. I think I said it wrong earlier. I think I said measure once, cut twice. Ugh. And I'm sorry, I'm probably not putting a lot. I'm not gonna put a lot of music in this video, just because it's hard to find music sometimes. And yeah, I mean, YouTube is real strict on their music guidelines, so a lot of these videos that we make for y'all, if we ever get to the point where we're getting paid for it, we probably won't get paid for it, just because of copyright issues. So I don't know, tell me what y'all like, what y'all think about that. Y'all want more music, or y'all want me to talk more? I know people don't like talking, so, or don't like talking. Ow. Keep poking myself. Alright. Alright, there's that. Okay, so now these become my 2 corner pieces. I gotta screw these down. Sorry, it's hard to shoot. I remember the angles and to work at the same time. You know, it's funny because I think it's I don't know. I mean, you can ask other people who do YouTube as well, but it takes a lot longer when you're trying to film, you know, because you got to set up the right camera angles and you got to do all this stuff and make sure it looks nice and pretty for you guys. So it takes a lot longer, because sometimes I'm fussing with angle shots, trying to go in and out of the truck so it can look like one good shot. But you know, that's where all the editing, that's where the fun part comes in, the editing part. I think that's the fun part. But yeah, I mean, it takes a lot of work to do that. I mean, rather than just concentrating on the build and you're done. So, and that's what it looks like. It's gonna look like that from the outside. Looks the same. Just put some wood filler right here, sand it down, paint it, one piece. Don't throw away any of your scrap wood, because you never know when you're gonna need it. And so, yeah, looks pretty good. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for us from this video. I'm gonna show y'all next time how I'm gonna put these in. I'm gonna have to go buy sliders, and they're gonna slide like this in and out like that. And yeah, so I think that's gonna be it for now. Thank you guys for for everything. You know, thank you guys for watching this channel, for this video. And thank you to our new subscribers. We appreciate you guys so much. We thank y'all for you know, hanging with us throughout this video build. And like I said before, our content is going to change pretty soon. We're going to start traveling a little bit more now. You know, we do have a test to run pretty soon coming up, where we're just going to test out the van and make sure everything is correct. And yeah, I just wanted to finish a small project before we did that. So, but yeah, guys, thank y'all so much for watching this channel and watching this video. And yeah, we'll see y'all in the next time. So laters.